Hi, I'm Scott from Alpha Power Cleaners, and today we're going to be looking at the Tennant M20 floor scrubber dryer, troubleshooting not dropping water. So the first thing I would check on this is make sure the recovery tank at the rear of the machine is emptied and the solution tank in the middle of the machine is topped up. Then on the controls of the machine, you want to make sure the water is turned on and also turned up to maximum. If your machine has the fast system or ECH2O, make sure they are switched off because that will stop the machine from taking water from the fresh water tank. If the machine then still is not dropping any water, in the clean water tank, located behind the driver's seat, there is a filter at the bottom. At this point you will want to drain solution tank, empty it out so you can gain access to the filter, remove the filter, check the gauze is clean and not being obstructed. Refit, then refill the tank and try again with everything on, turned on to maximum water flow. At this point, if you're still getting no water, you will need to contact Alpha Power Cleaners